Hi everyone, my name's Nathan and today we're going to be making some delicious nettle soup. Before we begin, there's a couple of safety things that we have to be aware of. The first one is nettles can and will sting you, and it's gonna hurt. So, whenever we're handling nettles, we must always be wearing gloves, have long sleeves, and long trousers on. Also, whenever you're doing anything like this, you should always take an adult with you just to make sure everything is safe. Now come on, let's go pick some nettles. So for our soup, we're going to need about 400 grams of nettles. So make sure you have a big enough tub to collect them all. Now we're back inside, we have to wash our nettles, but remember, still keep wearing gloves because they can still sting you. For this next bit of the soup, we're going to want to cut up an onion, a carrot, a leek, and a potato. Make sure you get an adult to help you for this part, because knives are really sharp. We then want to add all of our vegetables with some hot oil, and now we're going to cook them for the next 10 minutes until they're nice and soft. After it's been cooking for 10 minutes, we now need to add 1 litre of vegetable stock and let it cook for another 10 minutes. We then need to add our nettles, of course still wearing our gloves, and stir in and cook for another minute. Next up, we have to blend it. All that's left to do is for you to go out and try making your own nettle soup. And believe me, you're gonna love it. It tastes delicious. If you've enjoyed making nettle soup as much as I have, then you've got to go to the Wildlife Watch website for more great ideas of other great nature-based activities that you can do at home. Now, if you excuse me, I've got soup to eat.